What's up, everybody? This is Bowtie Billy, and I'm about to show y'all what pissed me off the most today. Check this here. Check this out here. Give me just 1 second. I just washed my brand new car today. These goddamn birds started taking shits on it. These little turds everywhere. Fucking all over the place in the wax. Bullshit. Look. Yeah. Fuck. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh, they're everywhere. Little fucking dingleberries in my car. Can't have that. Can't have too much of that. Oh fuck. Can't see jack shit. Oh well, that's all you need to know.